Hello everybody and welcome back to the dumbest hobby channel on all of YouTube, Pitstain Hobbies. I'm your friendly host Ian, and oh god, we've been shopping. Amazon had a sale, Phrozen had a sale, Amazon had it in stock, Phrozen ran out. We've got the Sonic Saber Ultrasonic cutter. Everybody's getting one of these things lately. I've been wanting one for a long time. I am waiting for my Uniformation GK3 Ultra resin printer to arrive. This is the perfect time to have this thing. We're gonna just do a quick unboxing and test on this. It's pretty damn cool. A couple of my buddies got these, so of course I had the FOMO, and I had to get one. First, we have Chinesium's finest cut-resistant gloves. Let's test that out. That should be fun. And then we have a quick little instructional paper here on how to replace the blades. Okay. And everyone's thinking, Ian, should you really own one of these things? You might slice your fingers off. You're correct. I had trepidation. But I figured, what the hell? I mean, I'm at a workbench with a bunch of dangerous things anyway. What's one more danger tool? So we got some foam there. Oh, yeah, we got foam. We can test cutting foam also. Cosplayers, they cut a lot of foam. So let's see here. Here we go. Here's the machine. It's fairly light. Not a whole lot going on here. Warning, high voltage. Let's see. Warning, high temperatures. Cut hazard. Oh, this thing's got all the warnings on it. Not to be operated by dimwits. I didn't see that sticker, so I think we're clear for me to test this thing out. Got our little power pucker there. There we go. And we've got some spare blades and some spare, looks like blade collet inserts and a set screw. So that's good. We got some spares. So I always worry about things like this, as like customer service, getting parts. I don't know. I haven't had the best history with Madworks. Their airbrush, when it worked well, and then when it broke, it was impossible to get parts for. But hopefully the Sonic Saber redeems the brand in my mind. But I saw the one at Micromark, and it was more expensive, and I saw reviews, and they weren't very great. So we're going to take off the anti-stabby protection bit. Hello. Sharp edges. Watch your fingies. Listen, don't put your fingy where you wouldn't put your dingy. That's about it. That's all I could say for this. I'm going to straighten out this cord, because you know my OCD would like kinked cords, and we're going to... This is reverse threaded, which is friggin' odd. So it's righty-tighty, it's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. It's weird. Okay. There's that. Here's our power brick. Interesting. Alright, so it's just got a little tiny AC adapter. There's not a lot of power involved, but there's also not a lot of power involved in, like, you know, a sonic hair toothbrush. Now, it doesn't operate at the same frequency as this, or else you'd slice your teeth off every morning with your toothbrush. There we go. Got a little red indicator going, it's got power. That's good. And turn it on, we just hold down, and we just press that button. We got a green light. Light is green, the trap is clean. And don't forget your cut-resistant gloves. Let's see. Oh, what the hell? How cut-resistant are these gloves? All right, so to activate this, we have a little button right here, which is not the most comfortable thing in the world to hold for a long time, but when you activate it, you can't hear a damn thing. Dead silent. Oh, wow. Oh, they're not fully cut resistant. I started cutting through. So if it's like a quick, if you do like just like a quick nick, let's see here. No, it's okay. All right, so they're actually not completely terrible. Mostly, a lot of people are getting these things to cut supports off 3D resin prints, and it does that. It does that very well. Let's zoom in a bit. We got a whole pile of garbage to test with here. Should be fun. But let's see here. You just kind of hold it on there and hold the button down, and it just goes through the part. Now this is a lot thicker than the supports you would have on a print. And there we go. There's our little chunk. Took it right off. The cuts are very nice. That worked. We've got like a piece of base here. I broke this, so I'm like, what the hell? Let's see. It's fairly thick. This is kind of slow. Can I push? Yeah, on the thicker stuff, it's a little on the slow side. Let's see. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, I mean, it's going. And it's not making any dust, which is nice. So this is like worst case scenario for how thick you'd want to go through. Is like, that's a few millimeters thick right there. We've got a piece of wood. Now this isn't balsa wood, but I've got some buddies who do some wooden modeling. So let's see if this will. This is like a piece of bamboo. Why does it feel like the wood's getting hot? Let's just roll it back and forth. Is the wood getting hot? No, it's weird. There's like it's passing the ultrasonicness through the wood. I don't think this is meant for hard woods. I think for balsas, you'd probably be. Oh wait, no. Oh, I smell cooking wood. Oh, we're gonna start a fire. Let's see. I don't want to like overheat the little machine, but we're within the. Ow! Oof! It's like burning the wood. That thing gets hot. Okay, so for balsa, we're probably fine. Man. Okay, just use a saw for wood. Forget it. Sorry, wood guys. A balsa, I'm sure it would glide through balsa. Now this is a cast 3D resin ammo box from Value Gear, and it's a very thick base. But let's see what happens. We try to go through it. It's going. It's slowly going there. Let's see here. So, like, the reason we might like this better is because, you don't want to create any dust when you're cutting up. Let me get my hand out of the way. When you're cutting up resin and you're trying to get these bases off of here. Interesting. Oh, it went most of the way through. I just didn't finish. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That is very cool. And this was a very, very thick casting. We can like shave it. Wow. I'm starting to hear a little high-pitched noise on occasion. I'm working on this piece of resin. But yeah, it just look, it just shaves it right off. That's nice. And then we could do some gentle wet sanding, obviously to not create dust. And then something like this for making like, let's say little clear lens or something. I mean, I would just use a regular razor blade, regular hobby blade, but yeah, this works just fine. It cuts through it. Okay. Foam. Let's see. Not necessary, for the foam. This is a little thick. It's a lot thicker than the blade is. But yeah, I mean, if you want, I'm not pushing. I'm letting the blade do the work, and it's just kind of, yeah, it's going through there. It's whatever. I mean, I don't know. The foam. The point of this thing is really, I think, more towards resin or 3D printing in general. But we also got photo-etch here, and I did want to test to see if it will cut through photo etch. Oh my god. Oh my god, it melts through the photo. It just decimates, goes. Oh, that was easy. I hate cutting photo etch out. Wow. Wow, that worked really well. Just get it on there, right where you would put your regular. Oh my god, it just jumps through the photo etch. Okay, that right there is worth it for me. Because I absolutely despise, like, doing these, like, this ring. Because you don't want to put force when you're pushing down on your photo etch, cutting it out. Because it'll bend the photo etch, and then, you know, it's like such a pain in the ass to... Yeah, goes right through. Oh, I love you. Oh, my precious. It works so great. Here, like the most delicate little piece on this entire fret is probably one of these little round rings. Yep, it went right. Yes, it did go through. And bam, look at that. It didn't even throw the piece across the counter, and it's dead flat. It did not bend it because we weren't pushing, really giving any real forceful push on there. Okay, that's cool. We're just cutting up garbage here. Just to upset Barbados Rex. Let's just... These spoons are rather resilient. But... Oh, sorry, Rexy. Oh, man. What are we going to do now? How are we going to test our paint? I'm kidding. I joke. It's my running gag. I love Barbados Rex. He does good work over there. Now we've got like a battery box from my Proton pack that I carved out with a Dremel. Tell me you cut something with a Dremel without telling me you cut something with a Dremel. Yeah. But I just want to see how it works on this thicker plastic, which is probably like ABS. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, it cuts right through that. Oh wow. Honestly, it works really good on this. Oh, this would be great. Oh my god, this would have been so nice to have when I was modding my pack. Yep, there she goes. Nice cut. That little lip of melted plastic, see? Just that tiny little roll versus the fallout of using a Dremel with a cutoff wheel. Oh my god, I gotta check. Did I get a text message here? Let's see, what is it? Oh, it's just from Sticker Mule. More stickers. If anyone wants stickers, you know, hit me up. Email below. Now let's get some Tamiya. This is polystyrene parts out. Not that I would ever like do this to cut parts out. I just want to see how well it works. So if you're building Gundams or model armor or whatever, it really does. Yeah, it cuts it off the sprue really easily, really nicely, nice and smooth. There's no white stressing of the plastic. So it would definitely... Oh, it shaves really well. If you have a gentle touch, it really shaves nicely. So you could get rid of like 99.999% of that little nub from the sprue. So that was polystyrene. We have Tamiya ABS here. You know, like these are little road wheels from a Russian JS2. And yeah, that's no surprise. Goes right through, no problem, easy peasy. There's our wheel. Yeah, that'll be a breeze to finish with the sanding sticks. Then we've got this Games Workshop Warhammer, which is like a high impact polystyrene hips. They use this special blend of polystyrene for their stuff. It is quite tough compared to like regular polystyrene model plastic, but this also no problem at odd angles where you might have trouble getting a nipper flush. No problem, comes right off. Yeah, great. Okay, and what else? Do we have anything else to test? The wood was kind of a fail, honestly. Well, the hardwood. I don't have any balsa. I'm not a wood modeler. But oh my god, it actually did cut most of the way through. I was like, why is this bent so far? But it does work on the hardwood, not as well. I mean, honestly, I think you want like a saw blade type, blade on there. You want something with some teeth. And this is like the little bamboo, you know, long gun cleaning cotton swabs. So it works on that harder stuff. But on, oh my god, on the photo etch, that is so amazing. I am going to use this thing for photo etch more than anything. Let me turn it off. That is cool as hell. All right. Now these may still be in stock on Amazon. They may still be the same price. I think I paid like $231 for it on Amazon. I'll put a link below. If you click it, if you buy it, if you click that link and you just buy anything on Amazon, helps out the channel. We do get a few ducats from Amazon from those links. So full disclosure there. But yeah, what do you guys think? And ladies, hit me up in the comments if you have one of these, if it's exploded on you, if you had to deal with customer service for a return, how you've been finding spare blades, what you've been using. Please let me know in the comments below. If you want, like, if you peeps want like a sticker or a fridge magnet, just email me. Emails below, of course, pitstainhobbies@gmail.com. And happy to send out some swag to people. I do have international stamps. Very cool. Badass. I love it. Yeah. 2 idiot thumbs up from me. I think this is all it was cracked up to be. Honestly, it lives up to the hype. Other than this hardwood stick, but I don't think that anyone ever hyped the hardwood aspect. But the fact that it went through that big raft at the bottom of that ammo box pretty damn easily, that's what I really want this for, because I do have aftermarket resin upgrades for sci-fi models. And, oh, God, I'm not looking forward. Like, I don't want to cut those with a Dremel cutoff wheel. I mean, oh, God, the amount of crap resin poison dust in the air, not cool, man. So it cuts down on the mess, and it's silent. It's not violent like a Dremel going, Rah! I so far so good. I don't have a long-term review of it, which is why I want you in the comments. If anyone's had this thing for 6 months or a year, you used it a lot, I want to know, if it's robust, just like me, robust and too stubborn to die. Yes, but yeah, there we go. Thanks everybody. Come back next time. We're gonna have more coming out. Adios, peeps.